So talking about the why did the government opt for a change here? So majorly the employees they had lost the assurance about the pension schemes and the contrast in fortunes for the post 2004 workers जब new pension scheme आई तब and also electoral issue भी बन गया था again regarding opposition and the current government. फिर further balance करने it was important to balance the aspirations with fiscal prudence के regarding the proportion के how it manages with the government's contribution actual and that the employee is contributing to their own pension. The ratio that we just now read, it was 10% and 18.5%. So 8.5% का gap was there. Manjali, you can explain it better.
नहीं हो गया कंप्लीट एंड मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक।
गवर्नमेंट बर्डन को कम करने के लिए न्यू पेंशन स्कीम में किया गया था कि उनका जो कुछ शेयर है वो इन्वेस्ट किया जाएगा और जो उससे बेनिफिट हो उसके थ्रू गवर्नमेंट पे करे, ताकि गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर इतना ज्यादा बर्डन ना हो एम्प्लॉयज को पे करने का।
हाँ बस ये डिफरेंट था मींस की इट वाज मार्केट ड्रिवन, जो इंटरेस्ट रेट होगा हाउ द मार्केट परफॉर्मिंग तो अकॉर्डिंगली विल बी गेटिंग द बेनिफिट्स। एंड जो ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम था वो लमसम पेमेंट था, तो देयर वाज मोर एश्योरेंस। एंड जो मार्केट बेस्ड है देयर इज नो एश्योरेंस बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हाउ 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 मच इंटरेस्ट रेट यू विल बी अर्निंग।
How will morality law hit Afghan women? So why has Taliban announced draconian measures targeting women? Who are the Mutasim? So certain bans for women and reaction क्या है इसका? And how has the UN responded? तो एक न्यू लॉ अनाउंस हुआ था, प्रोपगेशन ऑफ वर्च्यू एंड प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वाइस। तो ये इम्पोज करता है इट्स इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द शरिया और इस्लामिक लॉ। तो मांजरी शरिया लॉ के बारे में इफ यू कैन मेंशन सम स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स, क्या फीचर्स है
Here we
इसके?
there are two types again in the Muslim religion, Sharia, and there is again one, it should be in सुन्नी होना चाहिए क्योंकि दो सेक्ट्स हैं, शी और सुन्नी होते हैं। So जो शरिया लॉ है it is derived from Quran and it is based on again the sayings and the actions of Prophet Muhammad. Apart from this, like divine origin हम देख चुके हैं, comprehensive scope is there in terms of like personal conduct पे focus किया जाता है, focuses upon like personal hygiene, dress, prayer, proper guidelines are there, family law के बारे में, business and finance, rules on contracts, trade and the business ethics, criminal laws are there, punishments for crimes such as theft, adultery and then और ज्यादा तो डिटेल में हमें जाने की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें।
तो मेजर फीचर्स here are regarding the aspects of life कि क्या क्या उनके राइट्स हैं, जो हम बोलते हैं सिविल राइट्स की जब हम बात करते हैं, बेसिक पर्सनल राइट्स की जब हम बात करते हैं, जैसे कि काम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, क्या हम पहन रहे हैं एटसेट्रा, उन सब पर देयर आर स्पेसिफिक लॉज एंड स्पेसिफिक restrictions that are created, not just on women but even on men. So they can also ensure that women's voices and music do not emanate from homes. So anything that cannot be done freely here. तो न्यू डेवलपमेंट अगेन तालिबान के शिफ्ट की यहाँ पे बात हो रही है, but what are the major changes or the shift that it has brought? So Afghan women won the right to vote in 1919. In 1980 से the women had become ministers and judges, doctors and singers. But over the next 2 decades एक relative freedom create हो गई. That was depending on the decisions of Taliban 2.0.
शरिया में दो चीजें ये है कि जो मेल है वो मल्टीपल शादी कर सकते हैं, उसके अलावा जो वो 3 तलाक का सिस्टम है वो अप्रूव किया जाता है, तो उसके ऊपर वो करना
And videos are being posted again. ये kind of एक तरह का this is signifying कि how they are protesting against it, against this major change. Because again, dignity and freedom, that is all what an individual lives for. तो ये protest हो रहा है. Now UN Women say that the new rules were oppressive and they call for utterly intolerable law to be repealed. So this becomes important. So यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं intervention of the foreign or international organizations in the laws of a particular country. Next, will an extended space stay affect astronauts? So why will Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore have to stay on board on the International Space Station till 2025? तो नासा ने अनाउंस करा है कि जो बोइंग का स्टार लाइनर क्रू कैप्सूल है जिसने कि सुनीता विलियम्स और बैरी वोल्मोर को लेके गए थे जो इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन पर, it wasn't safe enough to transport them back. Instead, they will stay at the space station itself until February 2025 and will return in a SpaceX crew capsule जो कि सितंबर 2024 में लॉन्च होएगा. तो लोकेशन की हम बात कर सकते हैं. If one of you can check International Space Station.
It is located in the low Earth orbit.
And how does space affect the body?
And
So-
ISS, the International Space Station, was launched by US, Europe, and like European Union Space Agency, NASA, and Canada.
And further again, the pressure related changes की बात हो रही है कि how the change in pressure it affects the body. जैसे कि neuroocular syndrome, more fluids they enter the head and build up at the back of the eye, जिससे कि eyesight भी affect होती है. This is a condition that is developed. Spaceflight associated neuroocular syndrome. So the blood loses more red blood cells per day as it done on the ground. तो loss rate भी इसमें increase हो जाता है काफी ज्यादा. Causes of the symptom again including radiation exposure, confined environments and gravitation. और जितना ज्यादा time रहते हैं तो more they increase. So they will have spent 240 days in space. तो important term यहाँ पे यही हो जाती है SANS, that is spaceflight associated neuroocular syndrome. And how the health challenges and human life concerns are associated. Safety is concerned associated with such projects, especially regarding space tourism, which is the emerging sector nowadays. Next, IACS scientists discovered a new target for cancer treatment. So a combination of inhibitors that target different aspects of cell cycle or DNA replication. So it makes it hard for cancer cells to survive. तो यहाँ पे inhibitors का use होएगा to tackle or to detect the cancer cells, or it will enhance the overall effectiveness of this treatment. So IACS, Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. तो इसमें the target is used
which had been set up around 1875. And Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar, he is one of the distinguished persons associated with it from its very beginning. Please pay attention to the name, Indian Association and Cultivation of Sciences. You can move forward. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So this is a target that is created. So new target for killing cancer cells, which can potentially lead to new therapies. तो अगेन जब हम कैंसर की बात करते हैं तो इट इज वेरी टफ बिकॉज फास्टर म्यूटेशंस होती हैं एंड मेजर टू टाइप्स बिनाइन और malignant ट्यूमर्स की जब हम बात करते हैं benign which are located at one place itself or malignant which can transfer from one place of the body to another. So faster mutation rates they are a challenge to detect. इसीलिए ही this new therapy or this new target is discovered here. So this work it sheds lights on the topoisomerase, one targeted chemotherapy. तो डीएनए टूल बॉक्स अगेन यहाँ पे इसका यूज की बात हो रही है ट्रीटमेंट स्ट्रेटेजीज अगेन जो ये टॉप वन है इट इज एन एंजाइम दैट इज फाउंड इन ऑल हायर ऑर्गेनिज्म और ये डीएनए के स्ट्रक्चर को मेंटेन करने में हेल्प करता है ड्यूरिंग रेप्लिकेशन एंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन तो ड्रग्स जो कि इसको टारगेट करेंगे दे कैन लीड टू द डेथ ऑफ मेनी सेल्स इंक्लूडिंग द कैंसर सेल्स तो एट द स्टेज ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन इटसेल्फ. So resistance that will be created by using intrinsic DNA repair mechanism itself. So name we can remember here, topoisomerase 1 targeted chemotherapy. Functioning में mainly it keeps a track on the pathways and the changes हो रहे हैं in the cell cycle regulation and then help in killing the cells there and then itself. The chemical treasury in garlic. So again, plants and like animals cannot escape predators. They are literally rooted on one spot. So again, ऐसे mechanisms को they develop that can help in their defense, such as ऐसी aroma या ऐसी smell produce करना by the plants, which or maybe even poison that is in the plants that can help them in survival. So manganese, selenium, and vitamin B6. These are the three human nutrients that garlic is particularly rich in. So medicinal purposes के लिए भी garlic is used, such as Sumerian clay tablets from 4,000 years have been recipes that use garlic, nutritive value, medicinal properties, asthma, cold, cough, and these are the common diseases that can be treated by the use of garlic.
And also, garlic is not native to India. It is believed that ancient Egyptians, they knew about garlic. And also when it comes to introduction, so we don't have exact like source on information, but it is believed that it was introduced by travelers who were traveling from Central Asia and the Middle East.
And largest garlic producing state is Madhya Pradesh in India. Next, Thanjavur tunes its wood stock. So the land is famed for its handcrafted veena, with artisans and their families involved in perfecting its instrument from wood generation after generation. So again, here we can talk about GI tag or the geographical indication tag, which again improves the overall trade and employment of the individuals. Plus, hand in hand goes the preservation of the indigenous technique or the indigenous craft that is associated with the location. So here, this is
So-
regarding Thanjavur in Tamil Nadu. So it is famed for being the hub of making veena, an ancient musical instrument. So with wood
So
is
it's Kanchpur in Tamil Nadu. Again, GI tag was given in 2011, and it is an important instrument. Veena is an important instrument in Carnatic music. So Again, Carnatic music is a classical musical tradition from South India. Like we have the Dravidian temple architecture from South India.
टाइप्स की बात
So,
करें तो O2
unique,
वीणा.
unique characteristics is Tanjore Veena is characterized by its resonant, rich tonal quality. So, distinctive rounded body with a flat bottom.
And jackfruit wood is used to make the veena. तो अगेन अगर हम challenges की बात करते हैं तो one can be the price because again they are handicraft और जो machines होती हैं they are very much better at creating these so they are much more affordable क्योंकि production rate भी उनका high होता है तो इसलिए price regulation becomes important plus making the raw material available to such craftspersons at a lower rate that can be one of the major steps जिससे कि overall price it can be reduced and even the profit margin will increase and creating a more awareness on the social media also so as to boost their trade.
तमिलनाडु के पास हाईएस्ट जीआई टैग है 58.
So we have discussed about it, India and China.
यहाँ पे जो headline है वो important है. क्या बोल रहा है वो एक बार प्लीज कम बैक. India has a special China problem above the world's general China problem. So special China problem for India because we are sharing the land border with China that creates it special. And apart from this, as we are seeing already skirmishes going on in like Eastern Ladakh, or even when we talk about the Doklam standoff, or even the maps released by China, which is claiming certain territories in Arunachal Pradesh. So these are certain, we can say, special China problem. And apart from this, also we can say the excessive or the reliance over Chinese imports. When we are saying that we have to reduce the imports, still we are seeing that imports are on the rise from China. It is crossing $100 billion, which is again a very, very huge amount. So we have to again work upon how we can again diversify these imports of these items and also focus upon make in India at the same time. So world's general China problem is the China having like monopoly in terms of the supply of critical raw materials. And in this context, recently we have seen that countries like USA or even certain European countries, they have completely banned the imports of the electric vehicles manufactured by China. So they are allowing FDI from China. Then another general China problem is again its increasing influence or unilateral actions in the Indo-Pacific region, apart from this construction of artificial islands. And then recently we are seeing that China is focusing more upon having agreements with the small island countries. Like recently it had an agreement with the Solomon Islands, which is again creating a problem because these are island countries. So they are facing threat from climate change, from rising sea levels. So they are not having any safer alternatives. So that is why they are also going forward with such types of agreements. And then expansion of Belt and Road Initiative. So these are certain general China problem that we can say.
So next is regarding the border infrastructure projects. Their top priority work on the third route to Leh in full swing. So again, Border Roads Organization. So creating specific infrastructure work along with the border with China. तो हम मैकमिहन लाइन की बात करते हैं between India and China और the Indo-Sino region. तो border infrastructure projects, so Leh, Padam, Darcha, Shikuntala Tunnel, Nimu. These are the
There are
roads.
3 routes currently to reach Leh, so it is clearly mentioned. The first being via Srinagar, Zojila, Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir. Second is Manali, Rohtang, Himachal Pradesh road, and third one is the Srinagar Leh and the Baralachala Karu Leh. So ये तो traditional routes हैं. And
तो challenge here is कि all weather connectivity नहीं है इन roads में. All these routes, both these routes especially in Leh. So there will be a creation of tunnel and all-weather road project, the Sikundla Tunnel project that was launched recently by the Prime Minister. So it will help in better trade, etc., better connectivity, and even in emergency, and also help in better defense. Mansi, you can add in this. What can we discuss?
So it is showcasing when we are talking about celebration of festivals and organizing different events या जो रामलीला होती है, रामलीला दशहरा फेस्ट होते हैं, दुर्गा पूजा and the melas are organized. So again, in order to better manage the crowd, in order to do things legally, and so taking licensing is important. So here also we are seeing digitization. You can apply for the licenses online and you can avoid the last minute hustle or the last minute rush. So that again, safety measures can also be adequately focused upon. We are talking about celebration of festivals. So role of again local bodies, municipalities, and police is important. So you can scroll down further, you can say more details. So yes, digitization is, we can say, the main thing, and information call, for example, here is the number also which is mentioned. Like you can call on this number 14547. So this is again making the ease of celebrations, it is increasing it further.
Next is building सुपोषित भारत together. तो सुपोषित यानी कि जब हम बात करते हैं न्यूट्रिशन की, कैसे we can target the nutritional deficiencies that currently exist, और एक जो dual challenge है of overweight and undernutrition, के the fitness and that is not being taken care of, and even the nutritional efficiency within the individual that is not fulfilled. So again, we recently read about the Jan Poshan Kendras and also the Poshan 2.0 mission. जहाँ पे there was also integration between the Anganwadis and the nutritional food that will be provided there. तो पोषण में important क्यों है? It will free us from malnutrition. तो यहाँ पे main points क्या क्या हैं that will be focused upon in terms of nutrition. First is breastfeeding and complementary feeding. तो इसके लिए workshops promote करना and information बताना कि when and how should this take place. Till what age should this be done and क्या इसके importance है of colostrum when we talk about it. Because the actual structure of the baby it starts getting created or the actual strength from the first 2 years itself. तो वो बहुत basic है. Then you talk about anemia. How women especially can be targeted related to anemia. Say NFHS maybe. There have been several studies regarding it and how it can be improved. तो एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, again planting the tree to honor your mother and protect the environment. पोषण भी पढ़ाई भी, तो again linking education with nutrition. Even in Anganwadi scheme जब starting होता है of the development of the child, so there also it can take place. Further, community based programs जैसे कि हाट बाजार, street plays, folk shows, cycle rallies, community radio activities, morning processions, be it in the parks, etc., at the local level itself. So it will strengthen awareness regarding it. A growth monitoring, accurate height and weight measures for your children at the Anganwadi centers. Because again, Anganwadi centers local level बहुत ज़्यादा major role play करते हैं. As these health soldiers, they also focus upon vaccination and basic grassroots level पर ही they create awareness with a more informal contact with the females with the mothers or the individuals.
And also integration of Shri Anna, which is millets. So
Hmm.
millets are also being integrated into supplementary nutrition programs, and that will, they are again climate resilient also. They'll be helping in increasing the income of farmers also. And if you can scroll up, so the Prime Minister says that better nutrition childhood leads to better mental health development. So it will be focusing upon the human resource also, or the demographic dividend advantage. It's essential for mothers to receive proper nutrition for the proper nourishment of the children at the same time. So even women empowerment में dealing with the hidden hunger is very important, जिसको malnutrition बोलते हैं. And पोषण माह हम every year we are celebrating in the month of September. So be it like it will be helpful in increasing the women labor force participation rate also, and reducing even the pressure on the healthcare infrastructure.
के अलावा एनजीओ की बात कर सकते हैं। एनजीओ के द्वारा चेतना जो है एक स्कीम चलाई गई थी, जिसके द्वारा गुजरात में जो ट्राइबल एरियाज है वहां पर 730 के आसपास डिलीवरी की गई थी, जिसमें जो मातृ मृत्यु रेट थी वो 0 थी। उसको इंक्रीज किया गया पिछले कुछ साल में ताकि उनको बढ़ाया जा सके। उसके अलावा जो एनीमिया से रिलेटेड इश्यूज देखने के लिए मिले थे उसके लिए उनको अवेयर किया गया। इस तरह की बुक्स और एनिमेटेड वीडियो बनाई गई जिसके द्वारा उन्हें क्रोमोजोम के बारे में बताया गया, जो पिछले 10 साल में ऐसा जिला था जिसमें सबसे कम सेक्स रेशो था, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए, ताकि एक्स और वाई के क्रोमोसोम के बारे में पता चल सके और उनको उस बारे में जागरूक किया जा सके, ताकि गर्ल्स का सेक्स रेशो बढ़ाया जा सके। उस रिगार्डिंग उनको भी प्रमोट किया जा सकता है, फिर स्कीम्स के साथ जोड़ा जा सकता है एनजीओ को।
Hmm. Next, CZI calls for legal education in regional languages to promote cause of justice. So again, when we talk about the medical education in regional languages and even in Hindi, it was recently itself it was reduced. The whole curriculum, special books. तो एक लाइब्रेरी क्रिएट करना। फिर हम LLMs की भी बात करते हैं, लैंग्वेज लर्निंग मॉडल्स, जिसमें अगेन द रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस दे आर इंटीग्रेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ AI, जिससे कि बेटर सर्च, बेटर फैसिलिटीज जो है उनका इंटीग्रेशन हो सकता है। बिकॉज लैंग्वेज अगेन regional languages ka promotion and their conservation becomes very important, especially because the mother tongue hoti hai, that itself gives the child the confidence and the way of learning. So language should never be a barrier to education. Similarly, the district judiciary hai, it is the first point of contact for a citizen in search of justice. Data on the National Judicial Data Grid reveal karta hai the basic truth that it is not just the first but more often the final point of contact for citizens. इसीलिए legal education should be available in regional languages to promote a better expression of thought and speech. क्योंकि many citizens they are unable to afford legal representation, lack of awareness होती है, geographical difficulties होती है. So all these qualities they can be enhanced when the citizens are determined, they have confidence in the judiciary. इसलिए there is this responsibility. So dissemination of legal knowledge to citizens in the language that they understand, that here becomes important.
जो ई डाटा पोर्टल है वो स्टार्ट किया गया था, जिसमें जो जजमेंट्स है उनको लोकल लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट किया जाएगा ताकि सब लोग उनको पढ़ सके और समझ सके उनके बारे में।
IMD August was India's warmest since 1901. So although there was rainfall seen, but again temperature की बात करते हैं तो all-time record of 24 degrees Celsius on the back of persistent cloudy conditions. This is report by IMD. The changing of climate.
So यहाँ एक keyword mention है MJO, Maiden Julian Oscillations, which is associated with the functioning of the monsoon system. So it is again a tropical intra-seasonal oscillation system. It is traveling eastwards around the equator, and it is completing the journey around the globe in around like 30 to 60 days. And like unlike other atmospheric phenomena, like when we're talking about ENSO, which is El Nino Southern Oscillation, so these are stationary in nature. So MGO is not stationary, it is transient because it is traveling across the globe around the equator and it is moving through different phases. सो कन्वेक्टिव फेज होता है एंड सप्रेसिव फेज होता है. तो कन्वेक्टिव फेज जो है वो उसका एक्टिव फेज होता है एमजीओ का, एंड इट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय इंक्रीज्ड कन्वेक्शन. थंडरस्टॉर्म्स, हैवी रेनफॉल होती है ड्यूरिंग द एक्टिव फेजेस. सो इन दिस केस कन्वेक्टिव, तो कन्वेक्शन करंट में वी आर सीइंग द अपवर्ड मोशन ऑफ द एयर and it enhances the cloud formation and precipitation. During the inactive phase, which is the suppressive phase, there is reduced convection leading to drier conditions. And it impacts the global weather. Definitely it impacts the Indian monsoon also, and like it influences the strength, the onset and the withdrawal of the monsoon, particularly the Indian summer monsoon, which is the southwest monsoon. And if there is active MGO phase over the Indian Ocean, so it will enhance the monsoon rainfall. Then tropical cyclones also, it increases the likelihood of cyclone development when talking about the rainfall in the droughts. During the active and the suppressive phases, it will be impacting the drier conditions, the potential droughts and temperature extremes, like when we are talking about the excessive heat waves, which we were seeing in the northern hemisphere. So it has the temperature impact beyond the tropics also.
Next, to consolidate chip making gains, how India plans to spend $15 billion in next phase. तो again chip making semiconductors. Kutrim के जब हम बात करते हैं, so recently it had introduced the Bodhi, that is AI chip, the first indigenous in India. The Taiwanese partner Powerchip Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation. So Tata is building India's first commercial fabrication plant along with its Taiwanese partner, that is PSMC. So this becomes important again in production. फिर specs की हम बात कर सकते हैं, PLI, DLI की बात कर सकते हैं, building up of indigenous research centers specifically for the AI and chip making, semiconductor innovation. Data centers की हम बात कर सकते हैं, creating them so that the need and it can also boost the quality and development of chip making. Fabrication की बात करते हैं तो again specific technologies and clean environment is required for the fabrication. So that can be provided. Expertise चाहिए इसके लिए भी. There must be skill.
So we are having joint venture with Renesas Electronics of Japan also, जो industrial solutions of the Morugappa group है. They're also investing. So here it is given 4 examples, 4 players which are investing in India: Micron Technology, TEPL, Morugappa Group, and again TEPL in assembling and packaging भी है, in semiconductor fab units manufacturing भी, and designing also. So दोनों के लिए schemes भी हैं in India.
So when we talk about chip making itself, so the bulk of the global chip production की जो हम बात करते हैं of chips, so it happens in countries like Taiwan and the US. Or European Union too is wooing the chip manufacturers. Domestic fabrication plants जो हैं, they will boost India's economic and strategic imperatives. Given that chips are used all downstream in industries, from rockets to power steering in cars to kitchen toasters, तो बहुत ज़्यादा इनका vast application है. So again, self-reliance, maybe it will help.
It will definitely help, even in terms of reducing the cost of production also. And these are again strategic, also important from the perspective of national security, that if we are indigenously manufacturing, so that is considered to be much more safer rather than relying on the imports of these semiconductor chips.
Next, words are all we have. Screenwriters carry us to incalculable destinations, from blank pages to unforgettable characters, giving words to emotions, turning blockbusters into classics. So this again is regarding expression of art and the different ways. Such films, they mainly highlight the various relationships, be it love for food, love for the country, etc. To all these emotions, they are expressed by the art of filmmaking. Employment generation hota hai, and various things are discovered about oneself, how one can excel in the fields.
So if this is the topic in essay, so apart from जो यहाँ पे again Bollywood specific या writer specific लिखा है, we can say कि words are all we have. So this reflects significance of language in human life. It depends upon what words are we choosing, and it will be again related to whether we are inspiring, whether we are hurting someone, or we are talking about transformation and more powerful strength, or we're talking about more positivity. So these are more powerful instruments of creating meaning and understanding each other also. And in terms of again, like these are again fundamental human tools, we can say. There are again limitations and possibilities of language because we are having, like, India is known for its diversity. So we are having like innumerable languages, regional languages that have been used and that are there in existence. Certain are facing again the risk of extinction also. And again, words are all we have. These are also associated with the freedom of expression also. So here we can talk about our fundamental right under Article 19 as well. And even when we're talking about hate speech also, so that is also another aspect which we can say. And in the virtual world also, like words, in that also words, for example, when we're talking about that, they're a way of expression. So even social media, whether we are using again emojis, so they are also, we can say, translation of our words into the emojis. So that is another aspect. So it is again a fabric of human connection, knowledge, and civilization. So everything, if we say words, they are the fundamental thing, be it policy making, be it again restoration of peace, or as we India says that we we support peace through dialogue, through diplomacy. So that is also one thing. And even words can lead to even wars also, as we are seeing in Russia, Ukraine, or the Israel-Gaza war.
Divya, do you want to add anything?
आर्ट एंड कल्चर को रिवाइव करने की बात करते हैं तो उसको भी फिल्मों के थ्रू देखा जा सकता है। जब अलग अलग जैसे कर्नाटक के कुर्बा समुदाय से रिलेटेड जो डांस है या फिर जो कहीं की कथाएं हैं उनको शो किया जाता है ताकि आर्ट को फिर से रिवाइव किया जा सके और उनको बनाए रखा जा सके, उसके लिए भी यूज किया जाता है। कला सोसाइटी के ऊपर जो इम्पैक्ट होता है वो मेजर चेंजेस ला सकता है अगर उस रिगार्डिंग किया जाए।
Hmm. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. We can continue with the next session.